Welcome guys to this tutorial. We will fix TikTok sound problem easy and quick. Go open your settings of your phone, click here on apps option and search for TikTok. Open TikTok right now. Come to permission. Make sure that you give permission to all of these options that you see here and go back. Right now click on force stop at the corner of this screen and click OK. Come here to Play Store or App Store, update your TikTok if the update is available. Next, restart your phone and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and